Human relationships with forests are diverse. We love forests. We exploit forests. We argue with each other because of forests. Our relationships with forests are the result of our own and our family's history, the cultural background we have, the society in which we live, and the kind of forest surrounding us. In societies, these diverse relationships easily conflict. We associate different values, benefits, and emotions with forests. Recognizing and understanding diverse human-forest relationships is essential for a sustainable future. Please join us in our workshop to get to know recent research and discuss current societal challenges. Together, we want to look into questions and possibilities arising from research on humans, societies, and their relation to forests.